Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Facebook using Google Chrome. Whether you are using a phone, tablet or computer, this step-by-step guide will help you access your Facebook account easily. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone, tablet or computer, then open Google Chrome from your apps or desktop. In the address bar at the top, type www.facebook.com and hit search. This will lead you to the Facebook homepage. If you don't already have an account, then tap on Create Account. But for now, as we are logging in, tap on Login button to access your account. Type your email address or phone number in the first box. Enter your password in the second box. If you cannot remember your password, then tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via your email. Tap Login. If you want your login information to be saved on this device, then tap Save. But for now, I will skip this one. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Facebook homepage where you can check notifications, post updates and photos, chat with friends. And yes, that's it. Now you know how to log into Facebook using Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.